Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Koda if you don't know me, and if you do know me, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming today. School is officially over. I'm finished with school and today's just a good day. My boyfriend and I are going to be going record shopping and spend the evening together, so you guys get to come along with us and I'm very excited.
Smooth in the motherfucker. Suede on the inside. Candy paint. I ain't gotta tell you what the rims look like.
We're out of cops now. I feel very proud. I love free nationals. So I'm happy. I don't care how much I paid for it. Absolutely. You're coming home with me. Okay guys, I'm in the car now, but I'm just too excited. I just have to show you guys all the money that I spent just now. All the money that I spent. Okay, so, I've never seen this on vinyl before. Maxwell, Black Summer Nights. I love this album. If you know Maxwell, like one of his most popular songs is Pretty Wings, and Pretty Wings is on this. But my dad had this CD when I was growing up. So I know every Maxwell song like the back of my hand. And then you guys know I love Solange, like anything Solange, like we're really not even gonna think about it. Because it's Solange, so it's okay. This is on red translucent vinyl. Did everything I get, was everything I colored? Yeah. I don't think, is the Free Nationals one? I don't think the Free Nationals one is. Anyway, next we have Tyler Deluxe. Exactly. Yeah. I don't have anything else to say.
How much was it? That one?
Actually,
No, it was 40, right? It's more expensive out there.
Oh, good. Oh, good. I was about to say, please don't tell me it's cheaper somewhere else. The last one that I got is Free Nationals. This is the instrumentals, though, which is really cool. This one is, it's not on color vinyl, but it says there was only 3,000 units sold or made worldwide, so that's cool. And it's the first time. Records, you guys. Records now. Oh my gosh, get your money up, not your funny up, because yeah. Hey guys, it's a much later update. I'm home now. I actually I left again. I literally just had to get pads. It was like, who wants to see me go pick up pads in my vlog? Nobody. Anyways, I'm gonna start to wind down for the night. But I wanted to make this kale salad, so I'm gonna make that with you guys. And then my boyfriend and I are just gonna watch a movie, share play something tonight. And I think that might be it for my night.
The next day.
Good morning. Well, good afternoon actually. It is the afternoon. I'm not going to pretend like it's 8 a.m. I have terrible cramps. I feel like my body is trying to kill me from the inside. So overall, not feeling great. Weird thing about knowing that I'm done with my undergrad is that I still feel like there's a million things I need to be doing at all times, but it's very different this time because what has been my life for 4 years is just over. Like, it's done. So now, when I have my free time, I actually have a book that I'm reading. I'm reading Sula by Toni Morrison. But now in my free time, after I read and I listen to some records and I'm doing other little things that I enjoy doing, I'm like, now what? I'm not sure that I remember what it's like being bored. Yeah, those are my thoughts on this Good Friday. Girl, how'd you get all the way over here? I'm like, I know we're missing somebody.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
I got this yesterday. This is the Free Nationals from Record Store Day. I've never actually had anything from Record Store Day that I've purchased. One has been a gift, but I've never actually participated in Record Store Day. And I also didn't on the day this year. Records are just so expensive nowadays. But I really wanted this one because I love this album, and this is its first time. It was limited to 3,000 units, but it's instrumentals, and I'm like, this is amazing. They're an amazing band, so I'm excited. Plus, I already know all the lyrics to the song, so I can sing now and not be interrupted. My favorite song is on this side, which is Eternal Light, which is Chronics. This is so cool. And it's even the tiger scratch. Alright, so I finished cleaning and pretty much everything. Sorry, the record's done. I should go pick up the needle. Yeah, so I did everything I needed to do. I vacuumed, cleaned. I did everything. But I don't know if I'm gonna paint today or if I'm gonna color or what, but it is nice outside. So after I help my mom put a treatment in her hair while her treatment's sitting in before she needs my help, I'm probably gonna go outside or something. But I've been listening to my new records. I've listened to all the new ones now, and this is the one that's sealed. And I want to open it and I want to play it, but she looks great. She always does. Like, oh, this is cute. It's super cute. I'm really excited for Act 3. Honestly, I'm excited now. I'm not insane, so we will be listening to it in order. There's a lot of talking going on. Hey guys, we're now in the car. I've never vlogged in the car and I don't have the setup to do this, which makes me very sad. I don't really know. Do you think I could? Okay, this is actually where my phone goes, so this actually works. Never mind. But I'm about to walk on a trail. I'm gonna go drive there now. I'm blind, so I need my glasses. I have my coloring book and markers as well. I'm hoping that I'll probably walk around for a bit and then find a spot where I can sit and settle. About to be driving with the windows down. Who am I? I wanna know now. This is so weird vlogging in here. Got to know now. I'm living in the... It looks gorgeous. And this is such a really pretty park. I'm very excited to show you guys this park. It's very nice. I remember me and one of my really good friends went over here a while ago. I haven't been on this trail probably since then, which it's been a while now. I'm just looking for the other entrance, but I actually don't see it. They don't mean that entrance all the way down there. The other entrance says it's closed for winter, so I'm gonna walk and see. If it's the entrance that's all the way down there, I might go to a different trail. Just because I'm dead in the middle of nowhere. Nobody's here. I don't feel super safe because there's literally nobody here. And also the main way that I used to go when I would come over here is closed. So I think we're actually gonna go to the other trail just to be safe, put ourselves more out in public where there's other people who could witness anything if there were anything to witness. So I'm actually gonna switch parks, but that really sucks because I was really excited about this one. As I was saying, I'm a little disappointed about this spot right now. It says, okay, this is right by the entrance. I wonder if I should go down and find the other parking lot and maybe over there's more people. Yeah, so that parking lot was nowhere to be found. So I'm just gonna be safe and go somewhere where there's other people because it doesn't make me feel like I'm about to get kidnapped. So I'm at Park 2. This is much better. There's people, you guys can probably hear people in the background. It is still quiet and nice, but I literally was like, girl, there's a lot of black people die first in horror movies because, yeah, so I just had to get up out of there. I wish there was like a bench literally right here so I could just listen to the sounds of the water. I love the sounds of the water. I am a water slut. You can imagine how nice this looks when it's like, well, it's really nice in the fall, but also in the summer, like when the trees are so big and green. This forest looks amazing. But it's just nice. Good. That was really good. It was really nice. I'm now sitting on the ground actually, but I've figured these pants are probably gonna need to wash because they've been dragging in the dirt all day. That's okay. I'm gonna do one picture because it's not as nice outside anymore. But after being sick for so long, like I've been cooped up in my room. I don't care. I'm ready to be outside.